Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. Couple caveats really fast before we start. One, yes, we're in a storm, but looking at the weather, we're gonna have a storm every day for like the next week. So I'm filming because I'm already down here and I'm filming. And yes, so if you hear things, there's that. Two, I forgot primer, and I have a friend there that just didn't want to be covered, so my makeup looks weird. That's what's going on. Today is an Ipsy and Macy's unboxing. Yay, I'm actually getting them up on a timely manner. I just barely got my Ipsy in the mail. It was delivered maybe an hour ago by the postman. So yes, if you get Ipsy or Macy's, let me know what you thought of this month's boxes, bags, whatever. And also, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the items I got. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And let's jump in really fast. I have a redeemed for points. I got this Purely's Yuzu and Orange Exfoliator. This is resurfaces, boosts collagen, and brightens. And I know last month I said that I wasn't sure if I was going to renew my Ipsy or not. I did renew it on June 30th, so I got this redeemed for points on June 30th, so it came this month, which I'm very excited about. This is what it looks like. I do really like Purely's, so I'm excited to try this. I think they have some great skincare, and I like the scents that they have as well. And then this is what the bag looks like. I think they were trying to get rid of all the extra refreshment bags. That's the only thing I can think of. So that's what it looks like. It looks very shiny with the light. It's kind of pretty. I don't dislike it. I don't love it. I like the little zipper ones because, I don't know, I feel like they're just more secure than a drawstring. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is from Refreshments. This is a Luscious Hand Cream in Jasmine Sunrise. I'm very curious about the scents. I normally would not open a hand cream because I don't need any hand creams. And I've already pulled all of the hand creams for my next project to use it up. It smells fine. It doesn't necessarily smell like jasmine, just kind of like a generic soap. Okay, I'm getting the jasmine now. Not my favorite. Probably not something that I would ever purchase. This is, yes, a full size, but I don't know, their house brand, that's not necessarily what I want Ipsy for. And they did not include a little card this month. So I have no idea what the prices are. I will try to put them in the corner so you can see what they are. Next up, we have a brush. This is from SL Miss Glam, because you can tell the little jewels there. This is a concealer brush. I never used a brush for concealer. It's kind of cute with the little oranges on it. Pattern looks kind of weird though. Like, I don't know. It feels like it's cut off in places. So I guess you could use it for concealer. I just use my beauty blender. So I'm actually going to put this in my pass along pile because it's not something I will necessarily use. Then we have, what is this? This is from YC Collection. Is it a lip gloss? What does it say? Highlighter, Cocoa Flakes. Yeah, so I didn't choose my items because I renewed so late in the month. But this is not a highlighter shade for me. This is like a bronzer shade for me. So we will put that in my pass along pile too, because that definitely won't work. Then we have a hydrating serum from First Aid Beauty. That's fine. I will definitely eventually use that. That probably will be a neck and chest serum. Not necessarily something I feel like I need for my face. And then last in here is from Lottie London. This is a 4-piece eyeshadow palette. So we have 4 colors there. This is called the Rose Golds. And that's what they look like. So let's see. Clean off my fingers because I just put lotion on them. And we'll swatch them on my arm since my hands are covered. Ooh, that brown shade was a little patchy. Like, I had to really blend that in. See, it's all going in one spot and then you really have to blend it out. Okay, not terrible, not fantastic. Can you even see those? Not the greatest box or bag in my opinion. I will eventually use this, but not excited about this. Also not excited about this, but will use it. And the same with the eyeshadow. I will try this out. I'm been trying to do an eyeshadow palette a day, and I'm going to do that for my minis. So look for that coming up in a few months. Then this, I definitely won't use this brush because I just don't use concealer brushes, and it's kind of a weird shape, like with that ferrule, how it's taller in the back. And then this is definitely has nothing to do with my fair skin, because look at, I'm white. No, so not the most exciting bag. We'll give it August, and then after August I'm going to decide if I want to renew for a year or just let it go. Then we have from Macy's, we have this little thing that it says 5 off of $25 or $20 purchase, and then also they have a QR code, so you can't even see like what the products are. Oh, and one thing didn't come in the packet. So this was loose in the box. This is the Bumble and Bumble Baby Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. So damp or dry hair, comb through and style. I will definitely use that because as long as I can air style, I am good. Anything that's used for a blow dryer, I have been going through and I'm going to pass along. Okay, this seems kind of like a waste. Yes, we did get a makeup bag, but did they put the things in there? No. I don't think we needed to waste a plastic bag around this bag. It is mesh, so it is completely see-through. It would be a good one if you have something that's going to be damp that you don't want to get wet, if that makes sense. Then let's see, what do we got? We have a Sunbum Daily Sunscreen Moisturizer. Okay, I do like Sunbum. I had a spray sunscreen I really enjoyed. So this is SPF 30, water resistant 80 minutes, banana, wild rosella, and niacinamide. I don't need any of these right now, but it does expire next year, so definitely need to think about that. We have MAC Turquotic fragrance blend. I have never smelled this. I have wondered about this scent though. So sea inspired signature MAC scent, features notes of anemone, lotus, orris, and Corsican blue cedar. We're going to spray it on this little Kleenex because this is a shiny piece of paper. It doesn't smell bad, but there's something almost fruity about it. I'm not sure what I'm picking up there. I don't know. I kind of like it. I don't love it, but I kind of like it. We have a Buxom Plump Shot Collagen Infused Lip Serum. Okay, does this have pure vegan collagen, shibuki oil, hyaluronic acid, filling spears, and tripeptides? All right. I think, you know what? As interesting as this sounds, I'm going to pass this along because I have so many lip glosses. I have like 80 lip glosses, I want to say, or something stupid like that. And I'm trying to use them up, and I don't need to open any more because I don't wear lip gloss that much. I know this looks a little glossy, but this is a lip stain from The Balm, and I really love this. But I'm going to pass them on because I think I have friends who would actually get use out of it and use it like in a more timely manner. Then we have from Elizabeth Arden, this is Privage City Smart DNA Enzyme Complex Anti-Pollution Antioxidants with Sunscreens and Hydrating Serum. I do have some other Privage products. I don't have this one, but definitely will try that. Love getting new high-end skincare. Is that it? This feels light. And then I have a Tony Moly Nourishing I'm Aloe Sheet Mask. I will use this. I like some of these Tony Molys. This one is not my favorite. I like the peach one or the wine one kind of thing. So they only gave us one perfume this month. Usually they send us two. Oh, I guess we did get, I was feeling a little down because I felt like we usually get 6 items with the perfumes. So hairdresser oil will definitely use. I do like Bumble and Bumble. I don't know if I like that one per se. Skincare will definitely use. The sunscreen is practical, so don't hate on that. The perfume, glad to have something that I don't own, and one that I'm not familiar with. So the only thing, this one, if I didn't have so many lip glosses, I would keep, but I need to stop opening lip glosses. And then the sheet mask I will definitely use. So overall, Macy's definitely killed it compared to Ipsy. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry about this under. So definitely think Macy's good, solid box. Once again, really happy with what I got and excited to try some of these new things. Ipsy, sorry, you're the loser this month. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are though. Did you like Ipsy? Did you like Macy's? What did you get different than me? Let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.